All right, welcome in everyone. Let's just dive right into this explainer. Today, we are breaking down the ultimate, absolutely no-nonsense 2026 guide to legitimate online income for Americans. Making money online has literally never been more accessible, but let's be real, there's an absolute ton of noise out there right now. We're cutting out all the fluff today and focusing exclusively on proven, realistic methods where you can earn actual US dollars right from your laptop, starting today. No fluff, just the cold, hard facts.
So I gotta ask you, are you ready to claim your piece of the internet? We're gonna move incredibly fast today, so buckle up. We are walking through 8 proven methods, and we're breaking down exactly how they work, the realistic earning potential, the difficulty level, and honestly, most importantly, the exact first step you need to take right now to actually get started. Let's get moving.
Okay, we're kicking things off with Wealth Tier 1, which is all about selling your time and skills. Look, if you are a total beginner to making money online, this is hands down the absolute best starting point. You don't need an audience, you don't need upfront capital, it's just you trading your skills directly for income. Let's break down exactly how this works.
The undisputed king of this first tier is freelancing. Basically, this means selling in-demand skills directly to clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or TopTal. We're talking about writing, graphic design, video editing, web development, you name it. Just think about a local business right in your town that desperately needs their website updated to attract modern customers. Or, a real estate agent who needs their property walkthroughs edited for social media. If you can do something on a computer that saves a business time or makes them money, you can freelance it. And trust me, someone out there will gladly pay you for it. And the earning potential here is fantastic. Beginners typically start out anywhere from $15 to $75 an hour, while experienced pros, they are easily charging well over $100 an hour. Now, I'll be straight with you. This is a medium difficulty path. Why? Because you do need at least one solid skill and a really well-crafted profile to stand out from the sea of competition.
So here is your exact action plan. Step 1, pick just one skill to focus on. Don't overcomplicate it. Step 2, create a professional, compelling profile highlighting exactly what you bring to the table. And Step 3, apply to 10 jobs this week. Setting realistic expectations is absolutely crucial here. With consistent effort, you can totally expect to land your very first paying client within 2 to 4 weeks. You just have to put yourself out there and make the pitch.
But you might be thinking, what if I don't have a specialized skill like web development or video editing just yet? Don't stress. Becoming a virtual assistant is your easiest entry point. Right now, American companies, busy entrepreneurs, and totally overwhelmed executives are aggressively hiring remote VAs to handle their day-to-day chaos. We're talking about things like email triage, booking flights, managing calendars, providing customer support. It's the glue that holds businesses together, and you can find these roles on sites like FlexJobs, We Work Remotely, and of course, LinkedIn. The hourly rate for a remote VA is incredibly solid too, generally ranging between $18 and $35 an hour. It's an easy to medium difficulty role that's just perfect for beginners who are highly organized and great at communication. Your immediate action step? Go update your resume today to highlight those organizational skills and start firing off applications to remote VA listings on LinkedIn.
Another incredible Tier 1 option is online tutoring. If you excel at a particular subject, you can actually teach it online to students all across the globe on platforms like Preply and Wyzant. English and math tutoring are particularly in extremely high demand right now. It's generally rated as easy difficulty, often doesn't even require a specific teaching degree, and pays consistently between $15 and $50 an hour. Definitely worth looking into.
Okay, are you ready to level up? Welcome to Wealth Tier 2, Master the Creator Economy. This is where things get really exciting, because this is the exact moment where you stop trading your precious hours for dollars and you start building an audience that works for you around the clock. The absolute foundation of Tier 2 is content creation, so across YouTube, TikTok, and blogging. Now, I want to be completely transparent with you right out of the gate here. This is a hard difficulty path. You will very likely earn $0 at first. It requires immense patience and relentless consistency for 6 to 12 months before you start seeing significant revenue from ads, sponsorships, and digital products. You aren't just working a job here, you are building equity in your personal brand.
But the data totally validates exactly why this hard work pays off in a big way. YouTube pays creators roughly $3 to $10 per 1,000 views in the US, but that depends entirely on your niche. The finance, tech, and business niches, they are by far the most lucrative. Why is that? Well, because advertisers in those specific spaces are selling high-ticket items. Think enterprise software subscriptions, investment accounts, premium credit cards. So they are more than willing to pay top dollar to reach those specific, highly targeted audiences. So the crucial point to remember here is the massive long-term potential. We are talking $2,000 to upwards of $50,000 a month for successful channels. The earning ceiling is practically non-existent once you gain momentum. But you've got to remember the golden rule of content creation. Consistency always beats perfection. You just have to show up.
If you really want this, you have to stop overthinking right now. Step 1 is to choose a niche you know intimately and could talk about for hours. Step 2 is to hit publish on your very first video or blog post this week. Seriously, do not wait for the perfect camera, the perfect studio lighting, or the perfect script. Just start publishing, learn from your audience data, and improve as you go.
Once you actually have that audience built up, you can leverage affiliate marketing. Basically, this means promoting other companies' products and earning a commission on every single sale you generate through your unique tracking link. It's a medium difficulty method simply because you absolutely need steady traffic from a blog, a YouTube channel, or a highly engaged social media following to really make it work.
The recurring revenue potential here is wild, anywhere from $100 to over $10,000 a month. Programs like Share a Sale or individual software affiliates are the absolute holy grail here. Just think about it. You refer a user to a software platform once, and you get paid a commission every single month that user stays subscribed. It creates a massive snowball effect. Your very first step is to join Amazon Associates just to get your feet wet, but hear me loud and clear on this. Only promote products you actually use and genuinely believe in. Otherwise, you will destroy your audience's trust in a heartbeat, and that's everything.
All right, now we arrive at the absolute pinnacle. Wealth Tier 3, digital assets and e-commerce. This tier is all about creating automated systems, digital items, and highly scalable assets. You build the system once, and it can scale endlessly without requiring a single extra second of your direct time.
A brilliant example of this kind of scalability is print-on-demand and dropshipping. Imagine designing t-shirts, mugs, or posters, but here's the kicker. You never actually touch the inventory. You don't have a garage full of boxes. A company like Printful or Printify prints, packages, and ships the item only after a customer places an order on your Shopify store. So the customer pays you $25, the print provider charges you $10, and you keep the $15 in pure profit without ever touching a shipping label. It's medium difficulty because the financial startup costs are incredibly low, but you do really need to sharpen your marketing skills to drive that traffic to your store.
Once you find those winning designs, the income potential easily sits between $500 and $5,000 a month. Your immediate action step for this one is to open a completely free Printful account today and create 5 unique designs targeted at a very specific theme, hobby, or passionate audience. Now for my absolute personal favorite method, selling digital products. We're talking about online courses, Notion templates, specialized spreadsheets, ebooks, photography presets, the whole 9 yards. You invest the time to make them exactly once, maybe on a Sunday afternoon. They cost absolutely nothing to reproduce, and you can sell them 1,000 times over while you sleep on platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable. Because there is zero physical inventory, no shipping logistics to worry about, and no manufacturing cost, the profit margins are near 100%. You keep almost every single dollar that comes in. This allows this medium difficulty path to scale up rapidly to $20,000 a month or even more. Step 1. Identify a very specific problem people in your industry have. Step 2. Create a simple, high-value ebook or template that solves it instantly. Boom!
We also have true passive income. But hey, let's be totally honest here. Passive income requires highly active, incredibly hard upfront work. We're talking about shooting high-quality stock photography, producing royalty-free audio tracks, or building massive niche websites for display ad revenue. It pays off slowly, compounding over months and years. The goal here is to pick one digital asset you can create once and just upload it to a global marketplace this month to start planting seeds for your future income.
Okay, hold on. Let's hit pause on the hype for just a second. Legitimate online income requires real hard work. You need to protect yourself from scams. Listen closely. Never, ever pay money to get a job. Real employers pay you, not the other way around. Avoid these guaranteed income schemes and large upfront fees for mysterious training programs. Always research companies on the Better Business Bureau. Listen to me, if it sounds too good to be true, it absolutely is, period.
Which brings us to the single most important number in this entire explainer, 90 days. The absolute biggest mistake beginners make is shiny object syndrome. Trying freelance writing on Monday, setting up a drop shipping store on Wednesday, and starting a YouTube channel on Friday. Stop it. Just stop. Pick exactly one method from this guide that matches your current skills and your available time and master it relentlessly for the next 90 days. Total unbreakable focus.
The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. You have the roadmap. You know the exact first steps to take. So, out of the 8 methods we covered today, which one are you going to commit to mastering for the next 90 days? Will you be the one who finally takes action, or will you still be watching explainers about making money a year from now? The choice is entirely yours.